Garmin T5 dog collar, things to know before buy. Are you tired of worrying about your furry friend's safety while they're out on a walk or playtime? Do you struggle with keeping track of their whereabouts, especially in areas with heavy foliage or at night? For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I started researching the Garmin T5 dog collar: its advanced features and capabilities that go beyond just tracking your dog's location. Therefore, if you're considering purchasing this collar for your beloved pet, it's essential to know the ins and outs before making a decision. Let's dive in and explore what makes the Garmin T5 dog collar stand out from other similar products on the market. The Garmin T5 dog collar is designed with advanced technology that allows for GPS tracking, as well as other features like vibration alerts and a rechargeable battery. But how does it compare to its competitors? Therefore, let's take a closer look at its specifications. The collar comes equipped with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 20 days on a single charge. That's more than enough time for your dog to stay safe while you're away on vacation or business. Rehook, what I found particularly interesting was the inclusion of advanced features like Find My Dog and alerts that allow you to customize the experience based on your needs. But are these features worth the investment? One of the standout features of the Garmin T5 is its ability to detect abnormal activity, such as rapid breathing or unexplained changes in behavior. This can be a lifesaver for pet owners who have dogs with pre-existing medical conditions. But how does this compare to other products on the market? There are several alternatives that offer similar features at lower price points. Therefore, it's essential to weigh your options carefully before making a decision. According to Garmin's official website, the T5 dog collar is designed for dogs of all sizes and ages, from small breeds like Chihuahuas to large breeds like Great Danes. However, some users have reported issues with the collar's durability and longevity, especially when used on smaller dogs. Rehook, what I want to know is how reliable this product truly is and whether it lives up to its promises of accuracy and efficiency. The Garmin T5 dog collar has received overwhelmingly positive reviews from pet owners who have used it for various purposes, including hiking, walking, and even off-leash play. But what about those with more specific needs, such as hunting or tracking? One reviewer noted that the collar's vibration alerts can be a bit too loud for their taste, especially when using it in conjunction with other noise-making devices. But is this really a deal-breaker, or are there enough benefits to outweigh the drawbacks? After conducting extensive research and reading through numerous reviews, I've compiled a list of pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Pros: advanced GPS tracking, vibration alerts for added peace of mind, rechargeable battery with up to 20 days of use, customizable features via the Garmin app, compatible with dogs of all sizes and ages. Cons: some users report durability issues, especially on smaller dogs. Vibration alerts can be too loud for some owners. Additional costs for accessories like tracking devices. Rehook. Based on what I've learned so far, it's clear that the Garmin T5 dog collar is a solid choice for pet owners who want advanced features and reliability. But if you're still unsure or have questions about this product, don't worry, I've got answers. Let's take a closer look at some of the most frequently asked questions about the Garmin T5. Q. How accurate is the GPS tracking on the Garmin T5? A. The Garmin T5 uses advanced satellite technology to provide highly accurate GPS location data. Q. Can I customize the vibration alerts to suit my needs? A. Yes, you can adjust the vibration alert settings to your preferences via the Garmin app. Q. Is the rechargeable battery reliable and long-lasting? A. According to Garmin's specifications, the rechargeable battery should last up to 20 days on a single charge. Rehook. With its advanced features and capabilities, it's no wonder that the Garmin T5 dog collar is one of the top choices among pet owners. But before you make your final decision, take a moment to think about what matters most to you as a pet owner. Do you want advanced GPS tracking and customizable features, or are you looking for something more affordable with similar capabilities? Whatever your needs may be, it's essential to consider all the factors before making a purchase. That's why I recommend checking out the Garmin T5 dog collar on Amazon. You can find it for the best price by clicking this link in the description below. Now that you've learned more about the Garmin T5 dog collar, what do you think? Are you ready to give it a try and see how it works for your furry friend? Conclusion: The Garmin T5 dog collar is an excellent choice for pet owners who want advanced features and reliable performance. With its GPS tracking capabilities, customizable vibration alerts, and rechargeable battery, this collar has it all. However, as with any product, there are pros and cons to consider before making a decision. If you're still unsure or have questions about the Garmin T5, I encourage you to check out the official website and read through customer reviews.